pronouns are words that are used to replace nouns in sentences to avoid repetition and make writing and speaking more concise. There are several types of pronouns, each with its own specific definition and function. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things and change form depending on their grammatical role in the sentence. There are three cases. Subject pronouns, used as the subject of a sentence. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Object pronouns, used as the object of a verb or preposition. Examples: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Possessive pronouns, indicate ownership or possession. Examples: my, your, his, her, its, our, their, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object of a sentence are the same, indicating that the action is directed back to the subject. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses, which provide additional information about a noun in the main clause. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific people or things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. Examples: all, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, both, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, few, many, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, several, some. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used when two or more people are performing actions on each other. Examples: each other, one another. Intensive pronouns. Intensive pronouns are identical in form to reflexive pronouns but are used to emphasize a preceding noun or pronoun. Example: I myself completed the project. Exclamatory pronouns. These pronouns are used to make exclamations. Example: what a beautiful sunset. Possessive determiners. While similar to possessive pronouns, possessive determiners come before nouns and modify them. Examples: my, your, his, her, its, our, their.